Okay, so we've got Lutz with us from Anisoprint,
An isoprint.
Anisoprint, and in they have a machine which fuses plastic and fiber, carbon fiber or butane fiber,
Basalt.
basalt fiber,
Yeah.
and there is a nice application which many of our customers might need. So Lutz, let's please explain us how it works and what are the benefits.
Well, our technology is doing continuous fiber co-extrusion with a second nozzle.
Yeah.
So we are able actually to produce lattice structures internally in the part, which give the part ultimate strength, which can be used in tools, jigs and fixtures. It's aluminium grade or even steel grade quality. So the job we did here is quite simplistic. Here we have a metal part which needs to be post-processed, and we need to have a fixture for this part to fix it for tooling purposes. So what we did, super easy job in SolidWorks, design a negative, 5-minute job, import it into our slicer, do the slicing, do the fiber placement, and then you basically have exactly fitting fixture for this part. You can see it like this, and though that's the way we are able to produce a fixture like this, but with those fibers internally, which make sure that this part have a perfect holding in this fixture. That's what we are doing here.
Perfect. So
with this specific part.
Right. So this does make sense for complex parts and save time on the designing of fixtures, right?
Well, it does make economical sense for tool shops in particular because, I mean, you could use your precious equipment, your CNC machines, for doing the high value work and let the printers do things like tools, jigs, fixtures, jaws and soft jaws, which makes sense. And you pick them up next day and use them right away.
All right. Thank you, Lutz.
You're welcome.
Thanks for the explanation.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.